In this video, you'll learn about essential Linux commands for viewing file content. We will explore how to read and inspect files using simple yet powerful tools available in the Linux environment. The cat command, short for concatenate, displays the entire content of a file at once. It's best suited for small files where you want a quick view of the complete content in the terminal. It can also concatenate multiple files into one output. However, it lacks built-in navigation, making it less ideal for large files. Here's how to use it. The basic usage is cat followed by the file name, for example, filename.txt. For instance, if you have a file named hello.txt containing hello world. This is a sample text file. It contains 3 lines of text. Typing cat hello.txt will display that content in your terminal. Some useful options are: to display line numbers, use cat in hello.txt. To show non-printing characters, use cat a hello.txt. The less command is an advanced file pager that allows easy navigation through files of any size. Unlike cat, it doesn't load the entire file into memory, making it ideal for viewing large files. It supports both forward and backward navigation, and includes a search functionality, without modifying the original file. To use it, type less followed by the file name. For example, less/var/log/syslog opens the syslog file. The navigation keys are spacebar or F to move forward one page, B to move backward one page, G to go to the first line, G to go to the last line, /pattern to search forward for a specific pattern, and Q to quit less. The more command is a simple file pager that displays text files one screen at a time. However, more only scrolls forward. More is older than less. Less has more features than more. More loads the entire file into memory. To use it, simply type more filename.txt. For example, with options type more -10/etc/password. This shows 10 lines at a time. Some navigation keys are spacebar to go to the next page, enter to go to the next line, B to go back one page, but this may not work in all versions, /pattern to search for a pattern, and Q to quit more. The head command displays the beginning of a text file, showing the first 10 lines by default. The number of lines displayed can be customized, making it useful for previewing file content, such as checking file headers or logs. The basic usage is head filename.txt. For example, head/etc/password will display the first 10 lines of the password file. To customize the line count, use head in 5 filename.txt to display the first 5 lines, or simply head -5 filename.txt as a shorthand. Some practical examples include viewing the beginning of a log file with head/var/log/syslog, or checking CSV file headers with head-1data.csv. The tail command displays the end of a text file, showing the last 10 lines by default. Like head, the number of lines can be customized. It also has a very useful option, the F option, to monitor files in real time, making it essential for log file monitoring. The basic usage is tail filename.txt. For example, tail/var/log/syslog will display the last 10 lines of the system log. To customize the line count, use tail in 5 filename.txt to display the last 5 lines, or simply tail -5 filename.txt as a shorter syntax. For real-time monitoring, use tail f/var/log/syslog to follow the file updates in real time. You can also combine the two, like tail in 20f/var/log/apache2/access.log to follow the last 20 lines and continue to monitor it in real time. You can combine file viewing commands with pipes to create powerful workflows. Pipes allow you to take the output of one command and use it as input for another command. For example, filtering with grep cat/var/log/syslog-grep error displays all lines containing error from the syslog file, useful for quickly finding error messages in large log files. Counting lines. catfile.txt.wl counts the total number of lines in a file, helpful for getting a quick overview of file size or record count. Sorting output. catnames.txt sort displays file content in alphabetically sorted order, great for organizing lists or finding specific entries quickly. Complex combinations. tailn100 access.loggrep 404 headin 5 gets the last 100 lines of a log file, filters for 404 errors, and shows only the first 5 matching lines, perfect for focused troubleshooting. File viewing commands are valuable in various real-world scenarios. Let's look at some practical use cases. For log analysis, monitor system logs in real time to troubleshoot issues as they occur. The tail command with the follow option is perfect for this task. Tail f/var/log/apache2/error.log. For data inspection, quickly check the structure of data files before processing. The head command helps verify CSV headers or file format. head-5 dataset.csv column, ts, comma. For configuration review, examine configuration files to verify settings or troubleshoot issues. The cat command with grep helps find specific settings. cat/etc/nginx/nginx.onfgrep, server_name. Finally, for script debugging, review script output or error messages to identify and fix issues. The less command allows easy navigation through large output. /my_script sh2 and one less. Here's a quick recap of the commands we've covered. Cat displays the entire file content at once. Less allows you to navigate through files with advanced features. More is a simple forward-only file pager. Head views the beginning of a file, showing the first 10 lines by default, and tail views the end of a file, showing the last 10 lines by default. Some related topics to explore are grep for pattern matching, sed for text manipulation, awk for data processing, vim or nano text editors, file permissions, and redirection operators. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Use cat for small files only to avoid overwhelming your terminal. Prefer less over more for its advanced navigation and search capabilities. Use tail with the F option for real-time monitoring of log files during troubleshooting. Combine commands with pipes to create powerful workflows, for example cat, pipe grep, pipe sort. Use head to quickly check file structure or headers before processing. For very large files, avoid cat and use tools like less that don't load the entire file into memory. Lastly, learn keyboard shortcuts for less to navigate efficiently through large files. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.